So, this human experience thing is designed to immerse us in the illusion that we are separate from the source creator. We can easily evidence this by listening to the stories from all those people who've gone through near death experiences as they rediscovered the incredible joy of unity from the heart, albeit temporarily, as they then had to reluctantly return to the physical realm to tell us all about it. And why is this relevant? Well, because the new earth is all about that return to heart based unity consciousness as we leave behind the duality of the mind based consciousness that has stood us in great stead as we learn significant soul evolution lessons because of the polarity that has existed all around us. We've experienced the full gamut of the emotional spectrum, all the way from fear and despair to joy and love, and that is exactly what we wanted. But now we have the opportunity to step up the frequencies, though many will choose not to, and that too is for a purpose. Therefore, no judgment is required. This week, we lean into the off-world wisdom of Malik from the Galactic Federation. He's a Star Council member of the star formation Mission Earth. Malik is a multidimensional being from the Pleiades, part light, part physical. He, along with many others, is here to help humanity through the ascension process. Malik helps us understand what is going on right now, and despite outward appearances, everything is happening right on track. But as ever, there is a choice, and regardless of whether you see this as truth or deluded nonsense, that answer is right for you. Join us on Sunday at 4 p.m. UK, 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific to see how this resonates with you. We hope to see you there.